Hi everyone, this is Jenny from the Nice DIY Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to do the body of the unicorn owl. Okay, so for this you only will need one color yarn. In this case I use white for this one, your crochet hook. That's it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start from the middle. And this one, you will see that I will be working in the rounds, not by row. So it's gonna be starting and then continue on. Okay, so first, we're gonna grab our hook and our yarn, and we're gonna create a magic circle. Okay, I like to do 2 rounds so the work is really tight. Now, I grab one loop, do a chain, and then I do 6 single crochet inside the magic circle. For those that don't know how to do a single crochet, remember it's pull 1 loop, I have 2, and pull through those 2, that's a single crochet. Once again, I pull 1 and then 2, and that's it. Now I'm gonna do 4 more because we need 6. This is 5 and 6, and now see I have 6 single crochet. Now I'm gonna pull my yarn, and see this one was the first one that was pulled. I pull it so everything starts closing. Remember, this is gonna be like kind of twisted. Take it out and see how it closes, then pull this one and the work is closed. Now remember, we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one that got kind of stuck in the middle, be careful. Now, on this one, we're going to do 2 single crochets. And we're going to do the same all the way around. And the first one is always kind of hard because it was pulled. And there we do 2 single crochets. 1 and 2, and you're gonna keep on doing it all the way around, and I'm gonna come back when I finish here. Now I finished all the way around, so I have 2 in the first one, in the second, third, 4, 5, 6. So I did that second round. Now I'm gonna work all the way around, but working 1 single crochet in the next one, 1 single crochet in that one, and when you see it's the letter B, see where we have 2 of them together, there you're gonna do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2. And you will notice that we're gonna repeat the same thing all the way around 5 more times. Okay, so we're repeating every single step 6 times. So 1 single crochet, then 2. Now we're gonna do it again, 1 single crochet, and then 2 on the next one. And that's my second. Remember, we're gonna do it 4 more times because we need 6. And I'm gonna come back on the video when I finish all the round. Here I finished the round. Now I'm gonna work the next one. It's gonna be the same thing, but now we're gonna work on the next 2 stitches, only 1. So 1 in the next one, 1 single crochet in the next one, and on the third one we're gonna do 2 single crochets in the same space. And this, we're gonna do it all the way around again. Remember, only 1 and 1, so we're gonna do the next 2 only 1, and then the third one, the 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Here I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4 more times, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna come back when I finish the round. Now this is the last round that we're gonna be increasing. As you see, it looks like a hexagon. Now we're gonna work 1 single crochet on the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Those are gonna be only 1 single crochet. So there is 1. Now 1 on the next one, and 1 on the next one. So those are 3 single crochet. Now on the next one, we're going to do 2 single crochets in the same stitch. And remember, we're going to do it all the way around. So it's going to be 1, then 2, then 3, and the next one is going to be 2. 1 and 2. Okay, I'm going to come back when I finish all the round. Here I finished with my last 2 single crochet in the same space. Now from now on, what you're gonna do is only single crochet all the way around without stopping until you get your desired height. For this one, I made until 20 rows, and this is how I count the rows. So here, as you see, here I have my circle. So this is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, you count the rows until you have the 20. Here, as you see, I have done 10 rows already, and remember, it's only single crochet all the way around. You don't need to do 2 double crochets in one, so it's only single crochet. And as you see, it's starting to get its shape. So now I'm gonna keep on going to finish the other 10 rounds to finish my owl. Here I have completed the 20 rounds. Remember that you count them like from the start, and you start like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So those are 20 rounds, okay? 20 rows. Okay, so here you don't need to cut it because after that we're still missing some steps. The next one is gonna be doing the eyes. Okay, so remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button, put the little bell so that you get the notification for the next video. Thanks for all the love, all the comments below, and stay tuned. See you on the next one. Bye.